What's going on, everybody? kzSquid back. We got another vlog going. We're about to link up with the rest of the pack. We got night grommer and natural come up behind us. It's Saturday. It's about to be lit. It's fucking super nice out. Beautiful, man. I'm gonna link Natural Come Up's Instagram in the description here. If you guys need any welding or anything like that done, specialty custom fabrication, this man is nice at welding and he's willing to do stuff if you guys ship it. So hit him up if you want anything done. He goes by Patsy Tanks. Fucking killing it, bro.
What?
Yeah, you're wildin'.
I don't know if I could do that on my 636.
No fucks, bro. Yeah, I need to practice more.
I keep getting stuck in this fucking bolt over here.
How many more lights?
There's like 3, I think.
There's a 7-Eleven, it's just one more. You got Duke that in that shit when we went on that ride too.
Right.
Oh, watch it.
Oh, my bad. About to grab a water. You want a water? Thanks, have a good one. Ooh, my fault. Thank you, man. Yeah, can't hear shit with the outside one, especially when we're with everyone.
You got upgraded, oh, it's got, what do you got in there? Built-in headset?
Nah, it's just for my GoPro, just for recording video. Put together some dog shit YouTube videos. That was my first time bringing up third gear, guys. That was fucking lit. don't even know what speed that was. I'll have to check it out on the GoPro. Yo, I just brought up third for the first time in a stagger.
Hell yeah.
I'm hyped.
That's what's up.
Hell yeah.
Soon you'll be able to do sit down.
No, I'm saying. What's up, bro? How you doing? Oh yeah.
We're selling 125. We outside.
We outside? I'm good.
Yeah, we got regulator.
Regular only.
I only rock regular.
What?
I only put regular in this shit.
That's all you put?
Huh?
I only put premium.
You always do premium?
For everything.
Yeah,
Car back in the day, and I put regular in it, and it fucked with the catalytic converters and bogged down the whole engine.
Oh,
And
okay.
it cost me a shitload of money. So
Really?
I only put premium in everything I run.
Okay.
Even my fucking lawnmower.
Yeah. He's been trying to tell me that. I just keep putting regular in it.
It's cheap, bro. It's only a gallon.
Yeah, no, I feel you.
You ain't breaking the bank.
Yeah, no, I feel it.
When I had that happen to me, I was like, that's it. I'm running premium.
Yeah.
Some of these guys exhaust blew the
I'm saying.
behind it, they go. All over.
I think it's just water. I think it's just water. You're straight. Oh, you dropped your shit. That sucks. Let's go! I finally know what people mean when they get arm pump from riding wheelies, because I never got arm pump yet unless I'm like practicing them a lot. But once you can actually hold them up for a while. Oh shit! Hell yeah! We outside! Let's go. Woo! I got arm pump, bro.
Huh?
My arms are burning. Hell yeah, guys. If you've been liking the content, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be going to plenty more ride outs before it gets cold out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.